Happy Motivational Monday, everyone. We deep clean, declutter, and reorganize one small space a day, Monday through Friday. It is the first day of our second semester today, which means I did not clean anything until the kids finished school for the day, because I wanted to focus mostly on them today. I wanted to focus on them, making sure we were caught up, have everything finished for first semester grades that are due, and just focus on that. But now it is after school time. I'm going to show you what we're doing for our first day back. While the girls are in their room cleaning up and finishing their floor, dirty clothes, all that, I'm not even going to worry about bedding, deep cleaning, any of that today. Like I said, my main goal today was to make sure that everybody was getting school caught up. I am going to work on folding laundry from the weekend that was left there to be folded and wasn't folded. We are also going to be working on dishes. So a lot of this is just hand dishes. There's quite a few here that can go in the dishwasher. We got a little behind because some of the Tupperware from our trip ended up taking a lot of room in the top of the dishwasher, but that's okay because we didn't have to hand wash it. So we're going to work on doing hand washing of dishes, and we're also going to work on washing more laundry. And for day one, that's it today. Day two this week, while dinner is making, I need to double check our spices after holidays and see what all, you know, like in the holidays you use a lot of your spices, and I don't want to lose track of some and run out of anything. So I'm going to go back through, and it also got reorganized in the rush of getting like meals done at certain times for the holidays. So I'm going to go back through and reorganize and check expiration dates and throw out anything that needs to be thrown out, leading up to hopefully tomorrow for day 3. I'm going to be scrubbing down the just top cabinets on the outsides. I might, because I'm wanting to get back into decluttering more. We started it back in March, I want to say. We're wanting to finish decluttering so that we can finish like home renovations and all that. And as you can see, this isn't closing anymore, so I need to replace like hinges and things. But my goal is to do like, I may possibly just do it one cabinet at a time. I'm not in a huge rush to get it done. So, but for today, I'm going to take all this out, wipe those down, and then put everything back neatly. For day 3, I was going to do the upper cabinets like I said I was going to, and I finished them, you saw that. But I went to make tea at tea time for the kids, and the tea area just is not as organized as I would like. So I'm actually going to skip scrubbing down anything until I have a little bit more organization done. So I'm going to go through any of this, see if it's expired, if any of this needs thrown out, or if we could just rearrange some of these boxes. So while I love the fact that Celestial Seasonings are paper free, which uses less paper products, which uses less trees, then whenever you want multiple flavors, this happens. Versus on our drink station, everybody can have their individual flavors that they want, and they take up less room. There's multiple boxes on here. So that's one thing to consider whenever you're looking at drink station, is you might want to pick something that's not Celestial Seasonings, because you can't put them up there unless you put them like in bags, and to me that kind of defeats the purpose of them being in a more eco-friendly box. So we have them down here, but I think there's a couple things that I could clear out. So I'm going to work through clearing this out today for my day 3, and just this area, because my goal for 2021 cleaning is to do, not just to do cleaning just because stuff needs clean, it's to do cleaning that needs to be done so that I can live as minimalistic and as quick cleaning as I can to live the active lifestyle that we want. Day 4, we are going to clean just the silverware drawers. You can kind of see on the outside, one of the kids accidentally spilled something sticky on the inside. So I'm going to just go ahead and take everything out, wash it, and rearrange it. I might buy some more drawer bins to put all these mix and match measuring cups and items in so that everything is nice and neat in here. but I'm not 100% sure yet. I need to go to Dollar Tree again and see what they have, because why overpay for it whenever you can just pick up what you need at Dollar Tree? And it's not like one of those things that somebody's gonna walk in your house and be like, oh, what brand is that? So I just figure if I can save money on it, I might as well just get it from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna take this out, hand wash it. All the silverware will go to the dishwasher. The straws, the sterling silver chopsticks, and the plastic and metal straws will have to go to the sink for hand wash. All of the metal measuring cups can go to the dishwasher, the measuring spoons, everything else will have to be hand washed. But it also just gives it a nice fresh wash to it. Most of it got washed over the holidays, especially measuring cups and measuring spoons, but we're going to go ahead and just wash them again anyways. Day 5 this week is actually on Saturday. Friday, we had ice and snow. So all of my normal, what I would do for cleaning on Friday, I couldn't do. Because most of what I do for cleaning on Friday is like hauling off donations to the mission, hauling off trash, going and getting groceries, anything that needed cleaned out of the house, carport, things like that. But when we're at home, because of snow and ice, I can't take care of all that. So today, after the first week of school, this is what our laundry looks like. And I'm not even going to show you the dishes. And I am okay with this because I am choosing my battles, and I am choosing to say focusing on the first week of school was more important than clearing off a bench of clothes. We still had the couch last night to sit down and have our pizza Friday, so I'm not going to complain. But day 5, my only goal for today, on top of relaxing after our first week of school, is laundry and dishes. Once they're done, we're finished for the day. That's it for this week's Motivational Monday. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.